What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Jack and the Top Stock. Today, we're going to talk about a selection of business news from the week of May 24th, 2021. And last week, AMC went to the moon. AMC really went up. Shares started around $13 and peaked at $34 early Friday, then ended at around $26. Now, that's double in a week. GME, GameStop also followed, starting around $175, peaked at $263 early Friday, then ending at $222. Now that's also more than 50% rise. BlackBerry also made an attempt, but didn't get as far, only around 20% rise from the beginning of the week. Now you're asking, what's happening with these meme stocks? Are the people from Wall Street Bets back in action, jacking up these prices, going against these short sellers? I personally don't think so. Comparing the brands between AMC and GameStop has a much, I feel, an emotional attachment or emotional value for the people, for the Reddit users, because a lot of them grew up by buying games from GameStop, and in those games, the video games, it sometimes features the protagonist sort of protecting the community, going against the monsters or the stronger opponents, and that has a much stronger emotional value for the Reddit users, because with their actions, they're also going against the strong, money-backed hedge fund managers who are shorting these stocks. So, people that support AMC, I think, really just saw an opportunity that a lot of short sellers were going in, and they took advantage, and I'm sure a lot of the Reddit users joined in as well, but I don't think it was much of a coordinated global phenomena that the same degree that we saw back in January. But it did work because the AMC shares really went up really quickly as well. So, we'll see what happens this week. Will it die down, or will it continue? Like GameStop, will it go over, 30, 40, even $100? Stay tuned. In next other news, Amazon acquires MGM. So on Wednesday, Amazon announced that it spent $8.45 billion in acquiring MGM, the movie studio behind the James Bond franchise. Unfortunately, a lot of the MGM content already has contractual agreements with other streaming services like Viacom's Paramount Plus, so maybe it won't get onto the Prime platform immediately, but it does open the door for a lot of collaborations, for remakes, sequels, prequels, like what Disney is doing with its IP portfolio, live actions, who knows, and bringing that to Amazon Prime videos with within the Amazon studios. Amazon has produced a lot of great original content like The Boys and The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. So we'll see what they do. I think this acquisition has a lot to do with intense competition in the streaming world, with multiple content makers and media companies merging together, like Disney acquiring Fox and Discovery announcing a merger with Warner Media that includes HBO. So I think this will really strengthen Amazon Studios' capabilities in generating more great original content to lure people and to retain them within the Prime family. In new IPO news, VIMEO went public this week, so VMEO on Nasdaq started trading on Tuesday at $57, but it's now down to $43. That's more than 20% decline since debut. It's a spin-off from IAC Interactive that also owns a lot of the other internet media companies like Daily Beast and Investopedia. So VIMEO is currently at a value at $6 billion. I remember using Vimeo years and years ago when they were sort of going against YouTube in the same realm of content sharing, video sharing platform. But YouTube ultimately became the de facto sort of go-to video platform, and now Vimeo is trying to pivot into the video software hosting services. A lot of professional video producers actually go to Vimeo to host their videos due to the higher sort of, more user-friendly software behind and more professional video production and hosting suite in its software. So Vimeo also has a service called Vimeo OTT that helps content providers in managing their paid content. Some Redditors mentioned that some of the businesses were not very happy with YouTube's recent decision to monetize pretty much any video it has on this platform because they're saying they can, and not just the ones that have monetization already initiated. I think this created some confusion or some worry around people that host videos not for the purpose of generating content but purely to promote their message or their brand, and may get attached to other monetization that seems conflicting or unfavorable to their business. So this could be Vimeo could be a great alternative for these businesses that want to host professional videos without all those distractions. And the spin-off strategy follows the success of Match Group that was also spin off from IAC Interactive. And so this company has produced some really successful spin-offs in the past, and we'll see what Vimeo does. For now, when I was researching for this video about what Vimeo actually does, it was really difficult because it didn't seem quite clear of where their strength or their product was trying to be aiming at. So we'll see in the future where Vimeo wants to go and how it wants to take its brand and business to the next level. But for now, we can all, it's a great, I think it's interesting stock to watch. So I did put it on my watch list, and we'll see what it does in the next few months. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Jack the Top Stock.